Given permission, Amma, we discussed about parabola. Can you remember? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amma.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, just wait. Okay. It's 2 minutes late. Okay. Now, take next third problem. Third problem. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. Comma. When the distance between focus and directrix is when the distance between focus and directrix is when the distance between focus and directrix is 65 mm. Focus and directrix is 65 mm. Eccentricity is 4 by 3. Eccentricity is 4 by 3. Eccentricity is 4 by 3. Full stop. Name the curve. Full stop. Name the curve. Full stop. Name the curve. Next. Also draw a tangent. Also draw a tangent and a normal. Also draw a tangent and a normal at a point. Also draw a tangent and a normal at a point on the curve. At a point on the curve. At a point on the curve. See, here the tangent and normal, he not given any information. At a point where it should be on the curve. Finish. That we will see later. Shall I start? Yes. Listen. Same procedure, Amma. Draw vertical line. See, procedure is not changing. Everything, first line is vertical line. Name it AB. It's called directrix. Then draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line at any point in such a way that it should have CD line. We will normally name it as CD. We will name it CD. Define this point as axis. Define this point as axis. Right. Now, how much distance is given, Amma? 65. So measure, focus is located 65 mm, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Focus is located 65 mm from directrix. Focus is located 65 mm from directrix. From directrix. This is directrix 65 mm. Okay. Now, what is the eccentricity value, Amma? What is this curve? Can anyone tell me which type of curve?
Hyperbola.
Hyperbola.
Hyperbola. Why it is hyperbola, Amma?
Greater than 1.
Greater than 1. If you divide 4 by 3, we will get value more than 1. So that's why it is. So looking into hyperbola, so it is there. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Can you divide 65 by 7? Tell me how much? $65 by 7.
9.28.
9.28. See, now this value is in the form of decimal value. 9.28. So we cannot use direct method. Then what we have to use? Acute line. See, from C, measure 30 degree. I told that I prefer 30. This is 30-degree line. Measure how many parts you want. 7. Keep your scale. See, first what I will do. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I measured each 5 mm. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I divided equal 7 parts. Then I will join 7th part with focus. This is important every time. This triangle we have to see. Then only if value is in the form of decimal factor, you cannot measure directly because this instrument cannot measure 9.28. It can measure 9.5, but it cannot measure 9.2 because 2 is very difficult to measure. So that's why after second decimal 28, it cannot be measured. So that's why we used same acute line method to divide. Then draw the parallel lines. There are so many methods, Amma. Instead of drawing full line, you can mark point. You can mark simply point parallelly. That is left to you people, which methods are, why we have to draw. Yes, I simply marked the points. Can you see? Simply nothing, Amma. Instead of drawing this line completely, I want this point where it is dividing. This point, this point, this point, this point, this point parallelly. Now name it. This is Roman 1. You see, I am writing Roman letters. 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7th point. I divided this CF into 7 equal parts. You can call it as 7 units. Why we want 7? Because eccentricity is 4 by 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, Amma. 4 plus 3 is 7. So that's why I divided into 7 units. What is the definition of eccentricity? E is equal to distance of point from focus to the distance of point from directrix. How much? 4, 3. Measure 4 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and this is 4th unit. Right V. And distance from directrix is 3 unit. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So now vertex is VF. It is 4 units from focus, 3 units from directrix. C. Then same procedure, VF is equal to VE. Already we know the VF value. Yes, if you want, you can measure now how much it is. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, almost all 39, 10, 20, 30, 39. Draw VF perpendicularly, 39. Draw perpendicularly 39 in such a way that VF is equal to idu rayalama ikkada compulsory. VF is equal to VE. Draw perpendicularly. This is perpendicular. Same procedure. Join C extension line. Join C extension C line. Now it is triangle. Extend it. Extend means without changing the value. Extend it. How much you want, you can extend. Now divide after V. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. I divided V of 3 points. 4th point. If you want, you can go for 5th, or it is left to you. Before vertex 2, 3 points. After focus 1 point or 2 point. Draw perpendicular line. Same procedure. Draw downward direction from 2 perpendicular up as well as down. 3rd point up as well as down. 4th point down. Simply divided number of points 4 to see mechanical router ఏమైపోయింది now. Yes. जैसे जैसे ఆ రూటర్ బంద్ చేసుకొని ఆఫ్ చేయాలి అది పనినే చేస్తలేదు yes I am audible
Yes, sir.
yes there is some network issue amma there is a lot of fluctuations are there okay now I am audible right yes sir
Yes, sir.
right amma listen take one dash as a radius f as a center cut one line procedure is same amma for all three figures f take 2 dash as a radius f as a center cut second line 3 dash as a radius f as a center cut third line 4 dash as a radius f as a center cut fourth line you see here I am unable to cut fourth point it is crossing some limit okay now name it p1 p2 p3 p4 similarly p1 dash p2 dash p3 dash somewhere it is p4 dash amma it is not visible for me join from vertex very smooth curve join from vertex dark it once you are happy with your nature of smooth curve extend it why we are extending
It has more points.
More points, so it is no end. So it is a continuous process. This is hyperbola. Parabola, hyperbola, almost all neck to neck, because it is also one focus, one vertex, one directrix. It is also open loop. Only the conic section closed curve is ellipse. Parabola and hyperbola are open loop entity. Shall I finish tangent and normal? Shall I finish tangent and normal? Yes. Yes, sir. I am talking to you people. Shall I finish tangent and normal? Whether you want to note down, shall I finish that tangent and normal?
So we will note down.
Note down. Note down this figure. Once it is finished, please let me know.
Completed. Sir.
Okay, listen up. Here, because I told there are three ways of tangent and normal. One, directrix. Second, focus. Third, at any point. Directrix means you have to measure distance from directrix. Focus means you have to measure from focus. At any point, your ishtam. As you wish, tell me whether you want here, whether you want here, whether you want here, wherever you want, I will draw. Tell me 1 point, 2 point,
Sir,
3
we can
point.
draw a vertex.
No. You cannot draw. It should be on curve. Why you want to draw at vertex? Again, perpendicular line. Don't do. Draw at any point apart from that vertex. Yes, tell me where you want. 1, 2, 3. I taken 3. Any points. Any 1 point I will draw. Tell me first point, second point, third point. Which point you want? Second point. This is second. Take this point as X. Same thing. Join that X with focus. Procedure is same, Amma. Only location of point, it is given. It may be from focus. I don't know how much it is from focus. None of my business. How much it is away from directrix? Nothing. He not told. This should be so and so. From here. Now keep perpendicular. See why I taken nearest to vertex. You see. Here 90 degree. This 90 degree is a thing. See, ekkada veltundi 90 degree. It is moving towards upward direction. How much you take nearest, that much directrix. It has to cut directrix and its relation except, and this is perpendicular passing through focus. It has to cut directrix. Name it as X. Join this S with X. Procedure is same. Wherever you locate, this is tangent, perpendicular to tangent, passing through X is normal. This is normal, Amma. N dash. Any doubts? Finish. We can draw anywhere according to our requirement. Nothing wrong. Where it is cutting, don't bother. But bother that its except line, this line should be perpendicular passing through focus. That is the relation. Wherever it cut directrix, join that point with X, that is tangent. Perpendicular to tangent is normal. Note down this. These are the three different ways. In exam, he may ask anytime. He may say at any point you take, here, everyone's answer will differ because somebody may take here, somebody may take here, somebody may take here. So obviously everyone tangent and normal is different. But earlier two methods, only two probability. One, he may has to take top or bottom. Then all tangent and normals are same. But in this condition, everyone's tangent and normals are different because location of point is as per your wish, not as per given condition. But construction procedure is same. Only selecting the point is a different thing. Finish, then tell me.
So VA is not clear soon.
Yes, Amma?
వీడియో క్లియర్ గా లేదు సార్.
I'm not getting your point, Amma.
వీడియో ఇస్ నాట్ క్లియర్ సార్.
Video is not clear. Okay,
Yes,
okay. But again, I will go for what we have to do, Amma. I am using my personal data. Sometimes college network going up, suddenly coming down. Wait. చేసి రూటర్ ఆఫ్ చేసి ఆన్ చేసావా? I am audible. Now picture is clear. Yes.
సార్.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
Amma. Okay, sorry for that. We can't do anything, Amma. Somewhere we should be dependent, Amma. Finished? Yes, finished. I will take attendance. Wait. Yes. Finished, Amma. I am talking to you people.
No, sir.
Okay. This is the third figure. These three figures with first cone cut section. These four figure you have to draw in sheet number 3. Sheet number 3 is only 3 figures. 3 plus 1, that small figure, cone figure. Section 1, section 2, section 3. Once finished, let me know.
Sir.
Finished?
Sir.
Listen. My first question is that actually now I have to explain why you drawn these curves, Amma? Where these curves are useful in nature? Can anyone tell me? No one asked this question. I finished ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. I finished all three curves. Eccentricity less than 1, equal to 1, greater than 1. This is the basic fundamentals we kept. Ellipse is a closed loop, 2 focus, 2 vertex, 2 directrix. Parabola and hyperbola is open loop, 1 focus, 1 vertex, 1 directrix. Okay. But what is the use, Amma? Why we constructed? This is the first question. Second, can you observe these two curves? I will keep in front of you. See, this is parabola, this is hyperbola. What is the difference, Amma? Both curves are in front of you. What is the difference? Okay. I will ask one more question. I know it will wind up session. For example, you have 4 problems. You have 4 problems. Can you solve all 4 problems together?
No, sir.
Yes. Yes. You have 4 difficulties. Can you solve all 4 difficulties together?
No, sir.
Oh, then what you will do?
One by one.
One by one. Very good answer. You cannot take, yes, you have 4 cause, 4 difficulties, but you cannot solve all of them together. If you do, you will be in a contradictory statement. Then you cannot resolve any one and you will be in ambiguity or you should be in a confused mode. For example, as a student, I will tell you have engineering drawing. Which subject of PPS is there? PPS.
DS, sir, DS.
Yes. Next.
Physics.